Recently, I shared my free PARALLAX tools with you, and it is a really handy tool for creating a parallax effect for 2D images. However, the first version of PARALLAX tools has one significant drawback. Regardless of the source image, the 3D model has a low texture resolution. For the new second version of PARALLAX tools, I found a way to fix this problem, so you can enjoy a 3D scene without restrictions on texture quality. Well, let's start the tutorial. As in the first tutorial, we will use this AI service to create a 3D model. Drag and drop your image here. Submit it, and download the resulting 3D model. To avoid confusion, give the file a clear name. Next, we need to apply the original image to this 3D model. For this task, we will use the free Blender software. If you don't have experience with Blender, this won't be a problem, because I have made a special script that will help you do everything in just a few clicks. So create a new project in Blender and go to Scripting in the menu. Drag the script file here and run it. In the first window, select the AI-generated 3D model file. In the same window, I recommended enabling the Optimize Geometry checkbox. This will slow down the export process slightly, but will significantly reduce the size of the final 3D model file. Once the model is successfully imported into the scene, a second window will appear. In this window, you need to select the same image from which the 3D model was generated. Finally, in the third window, select where to save the file with the processed model. That's all. Go to After Effects, create a new 3D scene, and replace the default 3D model with yours. Well, that's all. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new video tutorials and products for motion design. This was VideoLancer. Bye!